This is a short video on using the IN or the OR clause in a criteria expression in SQL. Here we're using SQL Server and we're using the Northwind sample database. And we've already linked together the orders table to the shippers table. And for our sample here, we want to see the shipping countries that are Italy and France. And so in our where clause, we can say where the ship country equals Italy, or the ship country equals France. And what this is going to give us is the ship countries of Italy or France, so it'll return both of them. So let's execute the SQL, and here we have Italy, here we have France. We can scroll through our data set here, and you can see we have Italy or France. Now, if we take it a step further and we say we only want to see also Italy or France where the company is Speedy Express and the shipper ID equals 1. And since we're linking by the ship via in this column to the shipper ID in the shippers table, we know that the Speedy Express number is 1. So let's execute this. And what happened here? You can see we still have Italy and France, but we're getting a variety of the shipping companies. We didn't want that. What happened here? Well, it's the conflict between using the OR in these two different clauses here and the AND over here. What you need to do is you need to execute this OR statement as a single block. And similar as you would do in mathematics, you need to include the OR statement within parentheses and a single set of parentheses. So let's get at the parentheses here. Let's get rid of it here. And here we're having this OR statement execute as a single block. You can see there's no parentheses in between. And so now let's execute that. And you can see we only brought back 55 rows. Let's scroll through it quickly, and we should only see Speedy Express at this point. And it brought back exactly what we wanted. Another way to go about this, if you don't want to use an OR, and we can get rid of the OR here, and we can use an IN clause. And we want to say where the ship country is in a particular set of criteria that we're going to set out here. And here we want to say the ship country is in this set of criteria, Italy or France, and the shipper ID is the 1. This is going to return the exact same data set that we received previously. I prefer the IN clause myself because it's simply cleaner to read the logic of what the writer of the query was intending. We execute this, and here we get the same 55 records back, Speedy Express, where the ship country is Italy or France. Hope this was instructional for you, and stay tuned for more videos.